Hello again. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and here's the deal. I got a couple dishes and a couple of pieces of cut acetate. I had something happen here that I really don't like at all. But I do have black and gold and other colors, and I'm going to start with some of the gold. Dip my card in. See if I can please myself by adding some stripes. Different length cards will obviously make different size stripes. Hopefully my head isn't completely obscuring everything. And this is to distract the eye from that mess that's under there. And I might stop at any point in time because it's looking a lot better already than it was. And if I'm going to use black like I said I might, I better figure out where that's going to be. And take my marked bottle. And maybe I'll start with a shorter card so I have a chance to not get myself in trouble. Let's go here. If it looks like it's heavy, I'll just go back, dip the card into the heavy parts. If I want a wider stripe, I can move it. It occurs to me that white might work also. I'm trying not to be too worried about the stripes being all the correct length. I'm going to wipe that off and use that same card. Make sure they're at least horizontal. Although I'm sure somebody could do this so that that wouldn't be an issue. I'm craving other colors. Go figure. I think if I don't go overboard though, I'll have more luck. I left the gold on there because I'm going to switch sides. See if I can get that to mark a little better. It helps if it's flat, and it might have a little bit of a curve to it. I think I'm just going to go brazenly wider stripes. It's going to be a barcode picture. I definitely want to try some white. And what do I have for white? I have Chantilly lace. That might be kind of cool. Let's give that a try. It's nice and sticky. I like that. I like to pick a place that has something that bothers me. I had an unlevel surface. I've been trying to not use the room I usually draw in because the cat is in everything. It's not that old, but its capacity to get into things it doesn't belong in is massive. I like that. I'm trying to take a minute to look and make sure I'm happy with everything I've got. And make sure to try and use up. I don't mind the gaps when I get them. Unless I'm not getting a line at all. I really am feeling like having some other colors. Especially like, I don't use nearly enough hot orchid, which is jasmine in the primary elements now. And the reason I don't use the hot orchid that often is because it's not easy to get. That doesn't mean that I wouldn't like to try it. I'm not sure I shook that up enough, but that's okay because it's kind of cool just how it is. And I do have a little bit of that gold in that dish. This could take a while. I might use a whole lot of that hot orchid actually. But I'm also craving some blues. I knew the possibility existed when I started that I might want to use it for a multi-stage piece. A so-called background. It was nice before it lilted. Lots and lots of squares. Wipe my card off. Go back to the Chantilly lace, which has a little bit of black now in it. I have some lovely oranges that I'm contemplating. I like mixing up the colors more than I imagined, actually. The gold, this Chantilly lace, and that hot orchid are pretty cool together. I am going to grab, sorry for the sniffing, I mixed some Big Apple with some Orange Crush for the new colors. You can find the Colour Arte coupon code if you didn't notice in the first part of the second part, right under the video. Okay, this is important. That's all right there. Back to the hot orchid again. It mixes well with my mixed color quite nicely. I'm still craving some blue. Maybe I'll just work where there's already blue. I kind of like it better without the pure colors. This could go wrong at any point in time, and I'm so glad it hasn't yet. And maybe it won't. I think there's room for more gold, but I also want to use up the colors I've got. And if they're similar to the colors that are underneath, that's okay too. I had a little bit of muddy stuff. Speak of the devil, the kitten is outside my door deciding whether he's going to claw on my screen or not to try and get me to let him in. Which now has a rather large teak bar stool in front of it. No! Please stop. Wow, he actually listened to me for a second. No idea how long that's going to last, and I spoke too soon. Come on, cat, you made my stripes go sideways. I am having a good time. I'm having a really good time, actually, in spite of the cat. So, I'm so close. I'm going to wipe that card off and find a blue, and I think it's going to be the blue Bonnet. And I'm pretty sure I can put that right where the hot orchid is mostly used up and get away with that. I gotta use the right side of the card. The card, when it has a curve in it, you gotta have the curve down toward the center, or your paint will come off. This is not really what I expected to do to begin with, but I'm not complaining anymore because I really kind of like it a lot. I'm thinking about some purple. Can make your lines twice as long even though you have a short card if you just link them up. I don't think I need to go very much further, but I think I'm going to use some black. Can get it to come off. That one's bothering me. Best thing about a dry canvas is you can put your finger in it. Blended colors are kind of neat, actually. Except for the bubbles. That's not a bubble. What is that? Whatever it is, it's gone now. I have these new little paint tabs that come out of the top of my bottles because I don't necessarily wipe them off every time. Oh, that's nice. Nice and neat all at the same time. That's nice. Where's your nephew? Yeah, I know, I'm strange. Okay, so is that really it? I have white enough to move the eye around, black enough to move the eye around. I don't hate anything about it. It still might want some dark water over here, I think. And the best part is I'm only squeezing out, yes, perfect, one line. Oh, I like that a lot. That's wonderful, actually. Put it right over that mucky line I was never really sure about anyway. Completely camouflaged my issue. And I think I'm almost there. I think I am there. Cool. Hey, the timing is right. I've got 3 minutes to tell you what I was supposed to tell you in the other 2 videos, which I may or may not have done, but I'll start with thank you. Thank you for your kind words and comments. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Make sure to check the end screen video for the exhibition video, because at the beginning of it you're going to find the prizes for the next month's drawing. And you'll get into the drawing if you make a contribution through PayPal. I'll send you an invitation and you can decide for yourself. Alright, so what else can I tell you? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. Also, Society 6 and The Gallerist and a bunch of other great stuff. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. My email is underneath Show More under the link tree. Yeah, tongue-tied. Questions are fine. Please ask. My community board shows you tomorrow's video. I have playlists with over 2,500 videos, 2,400 of which are probably available. I am going to take my light down and show you a little bit of shimmer. Yeah, as soon as I turn this other light out, this is really beautiful. Oh boy! that is wonderful. I'm so pleased. I like the cells showing through. I like the lines over the top. So it was a part 3. Never mind. And hopefully you can see some of that. I should zoom in, right? The colors are fabulous together. I'm going to have to, when I run out of hot orchid, I'm going to have to get some jasmine primary elements. That is a really nice plaid. Or whatever it is. But it sparkles like a son of a gun. Pretty, pretty, pretty colors. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'll talk to you anon. Remember, I post at noon and midnight. I will see you. Very cool. I'm very, very happy with this. It's definitely expressionistic. Alright. Priscilla out. Whatever I forgot, I'll tell you in another video. You probably know it from the last 2 anyway. You inspire the heck out of me. I want to make sure you know that. Come back soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out again.